If you want to update Safari on your Mac and you're not sure where the update button is, this quick tutorial is going to show you exactly what to do. And this works the same on any Mac, a MacBook, an iMac, or a Mac Mini. Let's open Safari first. Once Safari is opened, go to the very top left corner of your screen and click on Safari, and then click on About Safari. This small window is going to show you the exact Safari version that's installed on your Mac right now. I'm currently using Safari version 18.0 on my Mac, so keep in mind that some things might look slightly different on your device, but the steps are always the same. Now we want to check if this is actually the latest version or not. So I'm going to open a new tab and go to Google, and then type something like, "What is the current version of Safari for Mac?" Google will show you the latest Safari version that Apple has released. Now compare that number to the version that you saw in the About Safari window. If both numbers are the same, then your Safari browser is already up to date. If your version is older, then you'll need to update Safari on your Mac. But here's the important part: Safari does not update separately. It only updates when you update your entire macOS system. So let's check for a system update. Let's exit Safari, and then I'm going to click on my settings icon in order to open the system settings section on Mac. After that, I'll click on General at the left side, and this Software Update button is the one which we're going to click on. Your Mac will now check for any new macOS versions. If you see a new macOS update available, go ahead and install it. Once your Mac finishes updating, Safari will automatically update to the newest version too. If there's no update available, and your Safari version matches the version we saw on Google, then your browser is fully updated. And that's basically how you check and update Safari on any Mac. If this guide helped you out, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to App Tutor for more simple tutorials like this one. I'll see you in the next video.